YouTube, what it do? I'm Legendarius, and this is a YouTube exclusive. All right, guys, so I got something special for y'all today, and I mean special. Nah, for real. So I know everybody's been on social media and seen the new craze with the Babyliss FX clippers and trimmers and the Low Pro clipper and trimmer been coming up at Ross, right? Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. They're like $49 all the way down to $39. A really amazing clipper for a really crazy cheap price that people aren't really understanding why they're at Ross. I don't work for any of these companies. Let me be clear. So I don't know why these clippers are at Ross, but what I do know is we were lucky enough to find some and we bought them. We want to see, are these factory reject clippers, or what's the deal with these clippers? Are they damaged clippers? Are they ones that didn't meet quality specifications? We don't know. What we do know is they were at Ross for $39.99 up to $49.99. So we're going to check them out and see what they do. Stay tuned. All right, guys, here it is. Let's get to this unboxing. So here we have the Babyliss Pro Black FX clipper. This is going to be the clipper from Ross, believe it or not, $49.99. So let's see what we got inside. So of course, we got our clipper. Ah! You know, they're always hard to get out of there. So, all right, we got our clipper. And everything looks pretty intact. Lever seems to be just fine. That blade. All right. And of course, we got our power cord. It would have been super dope if these were the ones with the charging base on it. But of course, we got our clipper guard, clipper oil, clipper brush, the infamous screwdriver that you get with the Babyliss tools. Looks like we got some guards in there. These were not the premium guards. Just the normal guards, but looks like it comes with the 8 blade attachments and a new cam follower. So as far as what's in the box, everything that's in the box is here from Ross. It's the same, everything that would have been in the box if this clipper came straight out of the factory. Over here, I think we have an extra one of these. There was an extra, there it is. Missed that in there, so you can change that lever, that extra lever, and the bottom cap, we can change it to gold. So as far as what's in the box, everything seems to be just fine. It looks like it comes just the same way from factory. You can see on the tool itself, it doesn't seem like there's any type of blemishes or dents in that tool. Lever's working. We'll pop that out of there and turn those bad boys on. Sound like they're working fine. I think this is probably a steal, guys. We might have found a diamond in the rough. So we're gonna get these bad boys charged up, do a couple haircuts with them, make sure they're performing like they should be performing, and we'll get right back to you. So guys, I cut with this clipper all day. I am not a barber that does 20 haircuts in a day. I charge a little bit higher price, so I'm looking to do maybe 6 to 10 haircuts in a day. I did about 8 haircuts with this clipper today, and I gotta say, it performed. This clipper absolutely performed well. I didn't have any issues with it. The first cut that I did realize, man, I tried to roll with it, not zero gapped, but I realized that's just not how I like any of my clippers. Like I said, I tried to go with the clipper right out the box and see what it was going to do. It still gave me a great blend and cut. It just didn't remove that bald line like I wanted it to. But guess what? You guys already know that. We already know what this clipper does. The biggest thing why I wanted to do this review was to show you that the clipper, even though the clipper is from Ross, the clipper is still of quality standards of Babyliss. I didn't have any issues with the clipper. Like I said, I did 8 haircuts. I charged the clipper twice. I don't usually let my clippers die all the way down. I like to use my clipper maybe for 2 or 3 cuts, and I'm plugging that joint right back in, or I'm setting it on the dock. Unfortunately, these didn't come with the dock, so I was plugging that bad boy in. The clipper performed like it's supposed to perform. So I would have to say, if you can run into one of these at Ross that are $39.99, $49.99, buy the clipper. It's not a new clipper because, of course, y'all know there's all kind of Babyliss things out now. The FX1, which I got a review coming for soon. So stay tuned. Hit that like and subscribe button on my channel if you want to stay up to date for when I drop that video. So for $49.99, guys, you cannot beat the price. I don't know if I'm going to keep this clipper on my station. Might slide it to one of my guys if they want to cop it from me because, like I said, I just copped that new FX1 clipper, so I'm excited to use that. I think it's going to be a hitter for me. I think that's what's going to be sitting on my station for me to go grab when I'm trying to go get that crispy blend. But we'll see. Again, for this clipper, even though it's the older version of the clipper, for $49.99, it's absolutely worth it.